Okay, so I've installed the fan. Just to give it a run, just to make sure it doesn't sound as loud as it did in my studio next door. So that's the shape, and then it's got panels, pieces to go into it afterwards. But this whole structure is going to be going outside. So it's the fan. This is definitely a lot less noisy than in my studio, my old studio next door. That's a lot quieter. I mean, I could run this outdoors and it wouldn't be a problem in the garden. So this is full speed now. A little bit noisier. But I have to say it's a lot quieter than it was. I think it's because it was going through all the piping and everything, and there was back pressure there. Yeah, so it just sits in there, and I'm just going to have to take it out. Put it in when I start and take it out when I finish, so that it will just be this structure that's in the garden. But I mean, you know, this isn't going to burn, and that's the point of using steel, because it will last. This is still to be. I just got to do the flashing on the edges on the inside, seal it all up. And that way what will happen is that there'll be another structure outside here, and it will force the air to come from behind me, refreshing the air constantly. That area there will be blocked off, and there will be little side areas to stop air, so the air can only literally come from behind in this direction only. It can't come from, say, the side, or coming in through this area. That's no good to me. That's not doing anything for me, that kind of ventilation. The ventilation must come from behind, since I do fume work and stuff like this kind of stuff. There's a black background, fumed glass, and the silver fume is lethal, same with gold, but with something like this, it's absolutely safe. And I used to use a VersiFlow with a helmet when I'm actually just doing silver and gold continually. So that's my hobby, that's how I do it. So yeah, I think that's a very successful test, and it's shaping up. I've just got to do the outside and clean it all up now, but it works, and well, obviously it did before, but it's a big relief anyway. So that structure inside there now is freestanding, as it's in two pieces. This piece is removable, pardon me, and yeah, looking good. Okay, catch you later.